Visitors to the Florida Keys often comment on how there are no beaches. There is no doubt that the unique bars, restaurants, and people of the Keys make for its own distinctive and flavorful culture. Definitely worth immersion and always a great time. True immersion into the natural beauty of the Keys requires watercraft. Whether that means simply renting kayaks or even hiring a captain, be sure to get out on that crystal clear water. We're very lucky and we know it. We know it. The Florida Keys are at the bottom of the continental US, but really, they're at the top of the Caribbean. It's paradise.